Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to start seedlings in toilet paper rolls. I try to be resourceful and I try to reuse things and try not to buy things if I don't need to. So I saw this on a website and I was really excited to give it a try. Instead of buying little seed starting containers, I could use something I already have, and I think most of us already have toilet paper rolls. So as you can see, I just took the toilet paper rolls and I put them into a container. Then I filled the toilet paper rolls and the entire container with some dirt. So once I have my container filled with dirt, I'm just going to move the dirt around a bit, make sure there's no big chunks of wood or mulch inside each toilet paper roll, and I want to make sure that I can see each toilet paper roll. So now it's time to plant our seeds. Today I'm going to plant some watermelons and cucumbers. So my son got these seeds for a gift because he loves watermelon. And so it's 3 different kinds. I'm not 100% sure which one will work best. So I'm going to plant a few of each and we'll see how it goes. And you just want to put 1 seed in each toilet paper roll. Now do yourself a favor and label what is what. I like to use popsicle sticks, but there's a lot of different methods. The first year I did not do this very well, and I was not 100% sure what I was growing in some of my containers. So learn from me and don't skip this step. And now it's time to plant some cucumber seeds. Now last year was the first time I had a garden, and I got really lucky with the cucumbers. They just kept coming in. They were all delicious. They were beautiful to watch grow, so I'm excited about these. So after each toilet paper roll has a seed, you're going to want to cover over the seeds with a little bit more dirt. Then I'm just going to take my spray bottle and spray them all. You can get all of the dirt moist, but especially concentrate on watering inside of your toilet paper rolls. So just put these under your grow light or in your greenhouse or whatever your setup is for growing. I put mine under my grow light on my plant stand. These are peppers that I started with the same method about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and they are just starting to come in. And then these are the tomatoes I did with the same method, and they are really coming in well. So basically, after these get too big for where they are, you can take these toilet paper rolls out and you can plant the whole toilet paper roll and everything inside into a pot or into the ground. Now that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, now we just have to look forward to spring. Let's learn as we grow together. Daily uploads at noon. Subscribe so you won't miss out, because you never know what we're going to learn next. Have a great day, everybody.